As you're working on your Scrivener project, you may want to create a PDF of your manuscript. This can be handy if you want to proofread it as a PDF, print out your text to edit it, or if you want to share it with someone, such as a friend, a beta reader, a critique partner, or an agent. Scrivener gives you several ways to do this. You can compile the entire project as a PDF. You can compile selected documents in your project as a PDF. And you can print or export selected documents from your binder as PDF files if you don't want to create a PDF of your entire project. When you compile your Scrivener project, you tell Scrivener to paste together all the elements in your binder and format them according to the section layouts that you've chosen. This allows you to choose precise formatting, font, size, line spacing, margins, and more. But to compile a quick PDF, you don't need to worry about these things. To compile your project on Mac or Windows, choose File, Compile. Choose PDF in the Compile For menu at the top of the screen. In the left column, choose one of the two manuscript formats. Both of these use 12-point fonts, double-spaced, and are ideal for sharing your project with agents or editors. The first uses Courier and the second uses Times. If you want to retain the formatting in your project, choose the default format. Click Compile and Scrivener creates a PDF of your entire project. You can also compile selected documents from your project as a PDF if you don't want to compile the entire project. Uncheck the documents you don't want included in your compiled PDF, then click Compile. Scrivener creates a PDF with only the checked items. You can export selected documents as PDFs on Windows. Select one or more items in the binder, then choose File, Export, Files, and choose Export Text Files as Adobe PDF, then click Export. Scrivener for Mac doesn't have the same Export to PDF feature as Windows does, but macOS can print any files to PDF. Select a file in the binder, then choose File, Print Current Document. At the bottom of the screen, click PDF, and a dialog asks you to choose a location for the file. If you select multiple files, they're combined in a single PDF, and the resulting file has the name of the first selected file. If you want to save individual files, just print each one to PDF. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.